In this tutorial, we will make a creative video that goes viral. Let me show you how to do it. First, you need to prepare 2 clips. The clip of the person laying down like this. And secondly, a clip of the car moving like this. After that, we will overlay the clip of the person. After we overlay, we will select the mask, then we select the rectangle. Let's just adjust it to follow the person's position. After getting the right starting position, we add a keyframe to it. Next, we will move the timeline forward a few seconds and change the shape of mask to follow the direction of the moving car, like this. By doing this, we will slowly create an illusion that the person is gone under the car. That's how you done it. Now you will get a creative effects like before. To make the person appear, you just have to do the opposite from behind the car. Good luck.